Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the high ISO noise reduction on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, or the section with the red camera icon, and then go to image quality / recording, and then scroll down to high ISO NR, so high ISO noise reduction. Here you have a few options. So you can disable the noise reduction, you can turn it down to low, or you can keep it normal. So select the option that you want, that suits you the best, and once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.